Well, another bird that is common around here, plovers. Plovers. So, we did get all of our major birds today. We've got the ruddy turnstone, which is a seasonal resident. You got the plovers. You got the gulls, like the laughing gull. You have the royal tern. Again, where are you, royal tern? Ah, there you are, the royal tern. I also have the skimmer, cormorants, waddling around. I have seen the sandwich tern. Right there's a sandwich tern. You can see the tip of his beak has a little mustard, the little typical yellow tip. So all of our salt marsh birds have been represented as well. So great day out here in Tarpon Springs. There's a turnstone foraging right there, ruddy turnstone. Great day here. More plovers running around in there. Plovers, turnstones. We do have a great variety of birds here in the salt marsh estuary. There's a juvenile skimmer, and then the adult with a little more dark plumage. So he's fledging, and will have a darker plumage later down the road.